Hello friends, welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML head elements. So, what is the head element? It is an external part of HTML that is present on every web page. It contains metadata and link to external resources that help the browser render the page correctly. The content of the head elements is not directly displayed on the web page. However, it plays a crucial role in defining the page structure, style and behavior. Let's look at some common elements that can be included in the head section. Head. It defines information about the document title. It specifies the document title. Ways. It defines a default URL or target for all elements. Link. It specifies the relationship with external resources. Meta. It provides metadata about the HTML documents. Script. It defines client-side script. Style. It specifies internal CSS style for the documents. First, let's look at the title element. The title element sets the web page title, which appear in the browser title bar or tab. It is also important for the SEO purpose. Let's see an example. I will open my code editor to show you the code. Doc type HTML, then HTML, head and title. My website title. Then head tag close and body tag start. When I open this on browser, the content inside the title tag appear on the browser tab. When I open the browser, you can see that nothing is displayed because there's nothing written in this body. Look here, the text, my website title is visible. Where is this coming from? It's coming from the title tag. Now, let me make a small change. I will update the title and change it HTML tutorial. After saving, look here. The tab title has also updated, showing HTML tutorial. Now, let's move on the style elements. The style element is used to define internal CSS style. It allows you to add style directly within the HTML document. Let me show you its code. I will copy the code here and paste into my code editor. I will show you its display. Look here. There are heading and a paragraph. Also, the body background color is showing as powder blue. The doc type HTML is declared at the top. Inside the HTML tag, there is a head section. Within the head, there are titles that display the title tag in the browser tab. After the title, we have a style element, which being the internal CSS style. We have three selectors. If I comment out a style and save the document, you will see that no style are applied because no style rule are defined. I will uncomment the style, save the document again, and you will see the style are applied. Let me change the body background color. I will update it to yellow green. After saving, you can see the background color is yellow green. I will change the color of H1 heading to purple. The heading now appear purple. Now, the link elements. The link element defines the relationship between the current documents and an external resources. It is commonly used to link external style sheet. Here's an example. I will copy the code here or simply remove it and start. In this file, I will add a link elements. For example, I will include a style sheet using the link elements. The rel attribute specifies the relationship as a style sheet, and the href specifies the URL of the style sheet, style.css. I will make the additional change in the CSS file, the h1 color to red. After saving, The heading color update to red as well. Meta elements. Meta element provide metadata about the HTML documents, such as character set, page dedication, keywords, author, and viewport setting. Let's review these one by one. Character set specify the character according for the document. Viewport the viewport for responsive layout and scaling across different devices. Description briefly describe the web page content. Keywords relevant keyword for the web page. Specify the author of the page content. Let me show you complete example in the code editor. Here, doc type HTML and head, title tag, and meta, character set UTF-8. Then meta name keyword, content HTML, CSS, JavaScript, meta name description, then meta name author, meta name viewport, like this. When you load this page, you will see the heading and paragraph on the web page. You can inspect the page by right-clicking, selecting Inspect. The meta tag like character set, description, keywords, etc. was not be directly visible. Navigate to the head section in the element tab and you will find all the meta tag there. For instance, when you search for ICRA technology on Google, you will see the page title such as ICRA Technology, Software Development Company. Script elements. The script elements is used to include JavaScript in an HTML documents. JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactive to web page. Let's see an example. I will now add something inside the head. Script tag. Inside the script tag, I will write a simple JavaScript code. For instance, I will use an alert function and add up the text. Welcome to ICRA Technology. After adding a semicolon at the end, I will save it. When I reload the page, you will see an alert box pop up saying, Welcome to ICRA Technology. Once I click OK, the page will display normally again. Now, I will remove this line and SRC. In the script tag, for example, I will create a JavaScript file named script.js. I will write the code for the alert message. Welcome to ICRA. Then in the HTML file, I will call this script by adding the following line inside the head. When I save the file and reload the page, you will again see the alert pop up with the message Welcome to ICRA. Now, base element in HTML. The base element specify a base URL or a target for all relative URL in the document. Note that only one base element can be included in a document. Let's look at an example. I will include the base element inside a head. For instance, I set the base URL as base href and icratechnology.com academy HTML training like this. This means I no longer need to repeatedly specify this part of the URL for each link in my document. If I create a relative link like href HTML like this, clicking it, it will automatically take you to the full URL like this. Now I will refresh the page and check. As you can see, the link worked properly because the base URL has been set. If I comment out or remove the base elements, the link will be no longer work and you will encounter an error because the relative paths are no longer being resolved. This was an overview on HTML head elements. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.